Okay, now, white. Everything is absolutely white. Filming with my camera phone now. All the ground, white. All the grass over there, white. Trampoline over there, nearly half covered. Winter trees, I can't even speak. All leaves off. All the lawns, got a lawn up that way and up that way. Path going up middle, all covered in snow. Or gone orange for some reason, I've no idea why. Orange sky. Camera phone can't pick it up. It's all orange, like dusk orange. All the pots are full of snow. The reindeer set. All snowed in. The planters full of snow. Yep. Was say about an inch and a half this time. Look how beautiful the house looks. And trees up there. It's a shame this camera can't pick out the detail of everything. Could have been good. That's it. That's basically it. So, quick little update video of its snow. I might post this tomorrow. It's about nearly 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, I might end up posting this tomorrow, because then it'll give me time to warm up. So that's it. See ya.